This Happy Curves Smoothie 2 is wonderful for intimate grooming. It is formulated and designed for female skin, which can be very sensitive. And also, it's ergonomically designed to really fit in our hands. It's light, it's portable. I mean, it really is like a nice size too, because you can really get into intimate areas without it being clunky. It's super easy to just stick in your suitcase when you're going on vacation. And let me show you. Now, this is kept a charge for quite a while and very strong blades. Turns on and off very easily. It's powered by USB-C, which if you need another cord, it comes with a cord. It also comes with this type of head, which is for if you want a really close-up shave. And the best part is that it's waterproof, so you can bring it into the tub or the shower with you. You don't have to worry about being hurt. This is cool. Now, I haven't tried changing the heads yet, so do you see how easy that is? That's what I was hoping would be. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, okay. So it has a side that I'm not going to shut it off before I show you. It has a side that is just a blade that can get in and, if you need sculpting, you can do it on both sides. And then that would be your smooth part of your area. Now, if you want, this would be your guide. So if you wanted different levels of length for your hair, you would attach it. So you're going to attach it here. You'd attach it to the other side. So you take that side off, reattach this side, and put it on there. And this is the glider. So this is like a safety glider, so it can be the right size hair for you and your needs. So there's two different ones that it comes with. Sturdy, high quality, wonderful. See? And then it comes with this little cleaner if you need to clean off little hairs. So it's very sanitary. My favorite part of this is the size, the ergonomic design, and definitely that it's waterproof. So even just coming out of the shower, if you need to just shave a little bit and you have wet skin, you don't have to worry about, hurting yourself and electrocuting yourself down there. Wonderful design. Happy Curves, they make products for women and for women's needs. Love it.